Aviation Ministry has issued show cause notice to Indigo and Mumbai Airport for Indigo's flight on the 14th of January from Goa to Delhi, which got diverted on Mumbai. Now, this notice has been issued after the video of passengers eating and dining on the tarmac of the runway went viral at the Mumbai Airport. My colleague Samir, who is tracking the story, has more details on this. Samir, what's the latest that you're picking up?
Yes, definitely that's the big development that we are picking up from the Aviation Ministry, that a show cause notice has been issued to Indigo Airline as well as to the Mumbai Airport for the lapses for not performing their duty properly and also not abiding by the civil aviation or the CAR rules. So the show cause notice clearly mentioned after the video went viral on social media, wherein multiple passengers, they were having their food, they were eating on the tarmac near to the aircraft, and seeking that, the Aviation Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia held a meeting at midnight. What we are picking up that at 12:30 a.m. midnight, Minister Scindia held meeting with the ministry officials that what all is happening at Mumbai Airport, what sort of lapses is there. So after a detailed meeting, now the BCAS, which is Bureau of Civil Aviation Security, they have issued a show cause notice, and it has been found that both the party, the Mumbai Airport as well as Indigo Airlines, they did not perform their duty as per the rules. The rules clearly mention that if the passengers are affected, then proper facilitation has to be done, proper arrangements have to be done for the passengers. Moreover, the aircraft should not be parked to that place, it should be parked at the stand-up area. So there are multiple rules which were not followed. These are the major points that were raised in the show cause notice, and the big point is that now the Indigo as well as Mumbai Airport, they have to reply to this show cause notice by today itself, by 16th of January. And if the reply is not sent, or if the reply is not satisfactory, then this may attract enforcement action from the government side, and also financial penalty may be levied on both the parties. So this clearly seems that the government is not happy with these, whether it be the airport operator or with the airline, the way they are functioning. Also, when at a time we have seen that thousands of passengers, they are affected, especially in North India, because of the flight delay, because of the bad performance of the airline. So government, or precisely if I may speak, Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia, he himself has come up into action and is not taking the stock of situation, is not taking meetings and making accountable those who are not performing their duties properly.